Hey Jose, this is Bobby here with Rocky Mountain Web Services. First off, just wanted to thank you for taking a little bit of your time today. I know we spoke on the phone the other day about your business, your goals for the future, how you want to grow and expand. So in this video today, I'm going to show you a few things that you can do today as you build out your website, some very simple things. Feel free to use this as the basis to go ahead and do it on your own, or if you would like, I've been doing this for quite some time. I would be more than willing to help you out and guide you through that journey as well. For this, what I did, since you don't have a website, I went ahead and pulled out your three main competitors. I did a little bit of research to see who's ranking the highest in your area. One of those you had mentioned fish window cleaning as being one of the competitors that you find yourself up against a lot, and it turns out they are ranking very high as well. So they're doing their digital marketing SEO very well. So definitely one good one to take a look at. The other two that we're going to look at are Window Cleaning Utah and Wingspan Windows. Good news right off the bat, definitely notice a lot of things that we can do very quickly to get you up ranking. It's not going to happen overnight, but we can definitely get you in onto the first page of Google. The three areas that we're going to focus on today are content, backlinks, and citation. I'll get a little bit more into what each of those are. First area is content. Simply put, this is the number of words on a website. When we take a look, for example, here at fish window cleaning, you'll notice their website is very clean. It's not cluttered. There's space between a lot of the paragraphs. It's easy to read through. And when we run a quick word counter, they have a total of 626 words. They're leading the three competitors that we had pulled up here. Google's recommendation is actually somewhere between 1,000 to 2,000 words per website. This can vary depending on industry, niche, location, things like that. But fish window cleaning, who is ranking very high, is well below Google's recommendation. So a lot of room for us to be able to step in, get closer to 1,500 words, and outrank them fairly quickly. The third area is backlinks. Sorry, the second area is backlinks. Backlinks are simply put when another website that's not your own refers people to your website. So you'll have a link. This you'll see commonly in blog posts, review websites, anywhere where somebody tells somebody else, "Hey, go to wasatchwindows.com," and they link your website there. That's what we want to see. Typically, we'd see a lot more than 8 to 20. However, for window cleaning in Utah, that's all that we're seeing here. 20 is the top with Wingspan Windows. Fish window cleaning only has 8, as well as window cleaning Utah only has 8. These take a little bit more time to get a lot of backlinks going. However, there's a lot of room for us to grow and again push these further down and get us up on top. The last area is citations. What a citation is anywhere on the internet that is a listing of your business with your business name, address, email address, and phone number, exactly as you have it on your Google listing. We see between 8 to 14, 18 for fish window cleaning. These are a little bit easier to get going fairly quickly. We can already think when we take a look at Google, for example. I'm going to go back here to if we were to search window washers Salt Lake City, we can see right here, we already see Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, KSL, Thumbtack. That gives us a lot of ideas of areas that we can go start listing with and get you more citations quickly. Those are the three main areas. A few other things to note. As you look here, the Google Map Pack only shows the top 3 competitors in your area. We want to make sure that to do that, we get to number 1. Wingspan window washing is doing very well here. 2020 window, actually, it's funny the way these rankings work. I ran this a couple of hours ago and they were not there when I did my research. They just popped up there now, so they're doing something very quick overnight. We might see them pop out later, who knows. Rock and Robin window washing is also interesting. They don't have their website up and running. It just says website under construction. So again, there's some things that we can do kind of behind the scenes to get ranking a little bit quicker as you're building out your website. Those are the 3 main areas that we want to focus on. And again, doing that is going to get you up on the first page of Google, hopefully ahead of these particular competitors. It's not something that's going to happen overnight, but it's definitely something that we can do over the next few months. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You're more than welcome to use this video to go ahead and start building your website on your own. Or again, let's talk a little bit more and see how we can help you out. I appreciate your time, Jose. Thanks.